In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best vacuum cleaners for 2025, showcasing the latest and most advanced models to help make your cleaning routine easier and more efficient. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. Goovi BR151. The Goovi BR151 robot vacuum cleaner combines powerful features to make cleaning your home effortless. With an impressive 4,500 Pascal suction power, it tackles everything from dust and debris to hair and coffee beans, ensuring your floors are spotless. This smart robot vacuum is equipped with a 2500 mAh battery that provides up to 120 minutes of continuous cleaning, making it perfect for larger spaces with a cleaning area of up to 200 square meters. The ultra-thin, 2.87-inch design allows the Goovi BR151 to glide easily under furniture, like beds and sofas, reaching areas traditional vacuums can't. It offers multiple cleaning modes, including auto cleaning, edge cleaning, spot cleaning, and zigzag cleaning, ensuring every corner of your home is cleaned efficiently. One standout feature is its 2-in-1 vacuum and mopping capabilities. The 230 milliliter water tank delivers uniform water discharge, which won't soak your floor, while the 2 adjustable water flow levels allow you to customize the cleaning to your needs. Additionally, the Z-shape route ensures thorough scanning for high efficiency. For a truly hands-free experience, the Goovi BR151 supports Wi-Fi and integrates with the Tuya app, allowing you to set schedules and control the vacuum remotely. Whether it's sweeping or mopping, this smart vacuum will revolutionize your cleaning routine, all while keeping noise to a minimum. Number 4. Ilife W90. The Ilife W90 cordless wireless wet dry cleaning smart washing mop robot is a powerful, all-in-one cleaning solution designed to make your floor maintenance easier and faster. With its 5,500 Pascal suction power, it effectively handles both wet and dry messes with a single device, sweeping, mopping, and washing your floors simultaneously. This innovative robot features a dual water tank system with a 700 milliliter clean water tank and a 500 milliliter used water tank. This allows for longer cleaning sessions without frequent water changes. The active recycling water technology continuously cleans your floors with fresh water, effectively removing stubborn stains with minimal moisture left behind. One of the standout features of the W90 is its one-button self-cleaning system. After each use, simply place the robot on its dock, and in just 1 minute, it will automatically clean the roller brush, ensuring it is odor-free and ready for the next cleaning session. It also has a voice and light prompt system, making it easy to use for all ages, with real-time updates on its status. With a large 3,000 mAh battery, the Ilife W90 delivers up to 30 minutes of cleaning on a single charge, covering up to 200 square meters. Its ergonomic design and cord-free functionality make it easy to maneuver around your home, ensuring a thorough clean without disturbing your household. Whether it's hardwood, marble, or tile, the W90 adapts to various surfaces for a spotless home. Number 3. Abir X6. The Abir X6 robot vacuum cleaner is an advanced cleaning solution that combines powerful suction, visual navigation, and smart technology to deliver an exceptional cleaning experience. With a remarkable 6,000 Pascal suction power, it offers 3 levels of suction adjustment, effectively handling all kinds of dirt and debris on different surfaces. Equipped with a triple navigation system, including visual VSLAM and SLAM algorithms, the Abir X6 can quickly and accurately map your home, ensuring optimal cleaning coverage. The Smart Eye system helps the robot avoid obstacles and optimize the map in real time, reaching up to 98% cleaning coverage. It also supports map storage on the app, allowing you to store cleaning maps for future use and customize your cleaning plan with features like selective zone cleaning and designated mode for targeted cleaning. The X6 also excels in wet mopping with a 360 milliliter water tank and precise 3-level water control. It offers up to 200 minutes of wet cleaning, ensuring your floors are spotless. Plus, with its unique leak-proof design, the robot prevents second pollution and efficiently vacuums and mops simultaneously. The robot's brushless motor, imported from Japan, provides high rotation speed, strong suction power, and low noise, ensuring effective cleaning without disturbance. The Abir X6 also features a large dustbin with a 600 ml capacity, exchangeable water tank, and 15 cleaning modes to meet all your cleaning needs. Whether it's vacuuming, mopping, or washing, the Abir X6 offers a smarter and more efficient cleaning experience. Number 2. Ilife T20S. The Ilife T20S LDS robot vacuum cleaner is designed to provide an effortless and efficient cleaning experience. With a remarkable 5,000 pascal suction power, it can easily tackle dust, dirt, pet hair, and debris, especially in hard-to-reach floor crevices and on carpets. The vacuum automatically adjusts its suction power when transitioning from hard floors to carpets, ensuring optimal cleaning performance. One of its standout features is the self-emptying station with a 3.5-liter dust bag that can hold up to 70 days' worth of dirt and debris. The 20,000 PA suction vacuum station efficiently empties the collected waste into the dust bag, eliminating the need for frequent emptying. The Ilife T20S combines vacuuming and mopping into one device, offering a 2-in-1 integrated system with a 300 milliliter dustbin and a 200 milliliter water tank. It can vacuum only, mop only, or perform both tasks simultaneously, saving you time and effort. The adjustable water volume offers 3 settings to suit different cleaning needs. Powered by a 5,200 mAh battery, the T20S provides up to 260 minutes of cleaning time. It automatically returns to the charging dock when the battery is low and resumes cleaning once recharged. The advanced LiDAR navigation system ensures precise mapping and efficient route planning for thorough cleaning. Control the Ilife T20S through the Ilife app, allowing you to customize cleaning schedules, adjust suction power, and set no-go zones. It is also compatible with Alexa and Google Home for convenient voice control. Number 1. Imou RV1 Pro. The Imou RV1 Pro robotic self-empty vacuum cleaner combines powerful suction with advanced features for a hands-free cleaning experience. With a remarkable 4,500 pascal suction power, it easily picks up dirt, dust, and debris, ensuring your floors are spotless. This robot vacuum also features a self-emptying station that automatically disposes of collected dust, offering up to 30 days of hands-free cleaning. Equipped with a lightning-fast LiDAR navigation system, the Imou RV1 Pro scans and maps your home with precision. It spins its mapping camera 6 times per second and measures distances to over 2,000 points, creating an accurate map of your space. The smart algorithm then plans the most efficient cleaning path, using an orderly S-shape to cover every inch of the floor. The Imou RV1 Pro offers a 3-in-1 system, combining sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping. Its 300-mile dust bin and 250 milliliter water tank can be adjusted via the app to suit the cleaning needs of different rooms. The app also allows you to schedule cleaning, set no-go areas, and customize water usage for specific zones. With obstacle avoidance technology and a 20 mm clearance, the robot can navigate under furniture and around obstacles without getting stuck. The Imou RV1 Pro also automatically returns to its charging station when the battery is low and resumes cleaning where it left off, making it an efficient and convenient solution for your home. There you have it, the top 5 vacuum cleaners for 2025. Let us know in the comments which one is your favorite, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews.